Good day, Professor Teodoro Castillo. In this video, I will explain my conclusion about the laboratory number 3. The topics was use of the mail manual. So, uh, the activity number 1 was analyze and interpreted the use of the mail manual. So, we know to able to make use of the mail manual, we must know that this manual comes from the master mail. That this master mail that is given by the manufacturer. So the mail manual have different categories to differ any component. So the category A is depending of the remark or exception. Then the category B is the time, the repair interval is 3 days. Then the category C is the interval to repair this component is 10 days. And the last category is D with 122 days. So in our problems, this component standby horizon indicator was fault or inoperative. So in this case, we use a mail manual in the item 34 and 7, and this manual give information about the interval to repair. In this case is the category number, the letter B is the time is 3 days to repair this component. So but it's possible to defer this system, but the remarks is, or the exception is this: maybe in operative provider only possible to defer this component, but or when the airplane or the operation are conducted in date, only date, or maybe and the operation are not conducted in the snow or forecasts over the top condition. It's very important to analyze this exception, but if you don't know this, or if you don't know this information, you don't know, or you mustn't defer this component. And activity number 2, my conclusion about the methods to find information is that if we have a number in each connection cable, we must verify this number and the index in the wiring diagram in order to find the place where this cable is located and to which component it belongs. So it's very important. For example, in this case, in the wiring, in the index of the wiring diagram about this airplane, for example, if you find one cable with this number or code, you can get this number in the index. This manner, for example, DR2 is about that indicator outside our temper. So it's important the number of the cable to locate any component to find all information. So it's very important to know all use of the information, the mail manual, and to find in information only cable, and uh, then the different manual also is very important to use. For example, the maintenance manual, the IPC manual. So in this case, if you if you if you is, if you is possible to defer this system, you can obtain in the IPC the information to obtain other component with the number of the parts. It's very important to use the IPC in this case. So it's all for my video.